Dear students, in this video we are going to learn how the general term of this sequence is found. The sequence is, first term is 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 3. In the numerator, in the second term, numerator 2 and denominator 1 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. In the third term, 3 in the numerator and in the denominator 1 multiplied 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 7. In the fourth term, 4 in the numerator and in denominator 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 9. So let's move further, but before this, if you didn't subscribe the channel, so subscribe it and like the video. The sequence is 1 divided by 1 multiply 3, 2 divided by 1, 3 5, 3 divided by 1, 3 5 7, and next term is 4 1 3 5 7 9, and so on. What will be the next term? 5 divide 1 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7 multiply 9 multiply 11, and so on. This sequence is going on. It is an infinite sequence. The first term is this one, the second is this one, the third, fourth and fifth. Now in the numerator there is a sequence 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a sequence. In the denominator the factorials are not complete. Here should be 1 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 is missing. Over here, if we complete the factorial of 5, then 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5. So 2 and 4 are missing. Over here, so 2 and 4, these are missing. Over here in the 3 factorial 2 is missing. And here in the 7 factorial 2, 4, 6, these are missing. And in the fourth term, in the factorial of 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are missing. And in the factorial of in the fifth term, in the denominator, the factorial of 11 should be made. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these are missing. So we will complete these. Now, so to complete this, in the first term we will multiply 2. So now the factorial of 3 is complete, but over here I will multiply 2. Now, so 2 is multiplied in the numerator and in the denominator. To complete the factorial of 3 over here in the denominator, now over here 2 and 4 are missing, so 2 is multiplied and then 4 is multiplied. Now extra 2 and 4, these are multiplied, so in the numerator we will multiply 2 and 4. Now in the third term, 2, 4, 6, these are missing in the factorial of 7. So 2 is multiplied, then 4 is multiplied, then 6 is multiplied. So 2, 4, 6, these are multiplied in the denominator, so will be multiplied in the numerator also. In the fourth term, 2, 4, 6 and 8, so these will be multiplied extra. So 2, 4, 6 and 8, these are multiplied extra in the fourth term denominator. 2, 4, 6, 8, these are extra multiplied, so these will be multiplied in the denominator, in the numerator, and so on. Now let's move further. Over here, now the denominator is a factorial of 3. In the numerator, this, and now in the second term, in the denominator 5 factorial, and in the numerator, let's write it like this: 2 power 2 multiply 1 multiply 2, and in the third term, in the denominator 7 factorial, and in the numerator 3 multiply, write 2 power 3 and 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, and in the fourth term, in the denominator 9 factorial, 9 into 8 into 7 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so this is 9 factorial, and in the numerator 4, and write the remaining is 2 power 4 multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, and so on. In the second term, we can write this as 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 factorial. 2 multiply 1 is 2 factorial, and over here 5 factorial. Now this the third term, 3 multiply 2 power 3 multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, so this is 3 factorial and 7 factorial. Then in the fourth term, I am deliberately leaving the first term, 2 power 4 and 4 factorial. And multiply 4 factorial. 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, so 4 factorial, and in the denominator 9 factorial. Now come to the first term. In the second term, 2 factorial, 2 multiply by 2 power 2 and multiply by 2 factorial divided by 5 factorial. In the third, 3 factorial. In the fourth term, 4 factorial. So in the first term, there should be 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is basically equal to 1. So we can write it as 2 and then 1 factorial is multiplied, and over here 3 factorial. So now the first term is 1 multiply 2 multiply by 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Second term is 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 factorial and then 5 factorial, and then in the third term, this one, 3 multiply 2 power 3 and 3 factorial divided by 7 factorial. Come to the next page. First term, 1 multiply 2 power 1 multiply 1 factorial divide 3 factorial, and then second term, 2 multiply 2 power 2 and then 2 factorial divided by 5 factorial, and then third term, 3 multiply 2 power 3 and 3 factorial and divided by 7 factorial. Fourth term is 4 multiply 2 power 4 and 4 factorial divide 9 factorial. So there is a sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. The first term is, now this is a This is an arithmetic sequence and 2 is adding each time. Okay, so what will be the nth term? This is the first term, second, third, fourth. So first term plus n minus 1 into d. And what is d? D is 2. So first term is 3. D is 2. So 2n minus 1 minus 2 and plus 3 plus 1. So in the denominator 3, 5, 7 and 9. So in the nth term 2n plus 1, because this sequence general term is 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 factorial. Then first term 1 and second 2, 3 in the third and 4 in the fourth term. So this is another sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what will be d plus 1? Plus 1 is adding each time. So d, and this is the first term. So an over here for this. This is not derivative. I am just differentiating it from the original terms. This is 1. Okay. An 1 maybe, but you can well imagine these are not the terms of the sequence. This is subsequences. So first term is 1 and n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is also 1. So n. And now over here. So okay, this is n. So n. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the term number is 4, so 4 is over here. If term number is 3, so 3 is over here. If the term number is 1, so 1 is over here. If the term number is 2, so 2 is over here. So if the term number is n, so n is over here. And now if term number is 1, so what is the power of 2? 1. And if the term number is 2, so what is the power of 2? 2. 3 is over here, so power of 2 is 3. If 4 is over here, so the power of 2 is 4. So if n is over here, so what will be the power of 2? N. And next 1 factorial. 1 is here, so 1 factorial. 2 is here, so 2 factorial. 3 is here, so 3 factorial. 4 is here, so 4 factorial. If n is here, so n factorial. So this is our general term. Now if I put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4 and so on, I am getting the same sequence. For example, put n is equal to 1, so 1, so 1, 2 power 1 and 1 factorial, and 2 into 2 multiply 1 plus 1, 3, so 3 factorial. So we got the first term. Now if I put n is equal to 2, so 2 power 2, n is 2 and 2 factorial, divide 2 multiply 2 plus 1, n is 2, so 2 multiply 2 plus 1, 5 factorial. If I put n is equal to 3, so n is 3, n is 3, n is 3, n is 3, so 3 multiply 2 power 3 and 3 factorial, divide n is 3, so 2 multiply 3, 6 plus 1, 7 factorial and so on. If I put n is equal to 4, so I will get this term. With this I end the video. We will meet inshallah in the next video. Thank you.